What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another video on Tellurian Inc. So in my last video I talked about how TEL stock was about to explode. Well, at the time I made the video, Tellurian was trading at around $4.20 and today we went as high as $4.80. So it's safe to say that even though the explosion I was looking for did not occur exactly, but we did see the price rise over the week, so I guess I wasn't completely off on that. But in my mind, I was basing that claim on two things. First reason was that I wasn't sure how the market would react to a lease announcement being signed. Part of me thought that this was already baked into the share price, but then you can never really be sure about these things. The second reason was the obvious one, which was Tellurian announcing more commercial deals. However, yesterday Tellurian dropped another press release which I wasn't expecting at this stage, which is what in fact caused this recent spike up in the share price. So I'm sure most of you have seen this by now, but I'll quickly recap the press release in case you missed it. US liquefied natural gas developer Tellurian Inc. wants to grow gas production by adding to its own output and through mergers and acquisitions. The company's executive chairman, Sharif Suki, said this week. He said this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for producers to merge or be acquired because they can realize much better revenue by being exposed to international gas prices through the Driftwood LNG export plant Tellurian is developing in Louisiana. US gas prices at the Henry Hub were up over 50% this year to around $3.75 per million British thermal units MMBTU after falling to a 25-year average low of 2.03 in 2020. But around the world, gas prices in Europe and Asia were trading over 12 per MMBTU. Analysts said buyers around the world will keep purchasing all the LNG the United States can produce, with global prices expected to remain high for months. We will grow in two different ways. The first is organically. The second way to do this is to make some acquisitions, Suki said. So, in addition to this, there has been a lot of speculation online about another commercial deal announcement, and here's why. On the 30th of June, Sharif Suki said the following: I'm certain in the next few weeks that we will have some additional commercial agreements. So this gives me more hope and confidence that we shall hear about more commercial deals very soon. All I can say for now is shorts better cover because this could get real ugly. We all know that TEL stock has some risks associated with it. However, the risk to reward ratio is so great over here that if there is another dip, I'll definitely be buying more shares. Again, this is not financial advice, but I'm extremely bullish and long on TEL stock. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next one.